everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. Yes, it's Taco Tuesday, baby. It's Taco Tuesday. I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday and everybody happy holidays was just great. We got past Christmas, now it's time for New Year's Eve, so I hope everybody is getting prepared for the upcoming holidays. But before I get started with this beauty talk, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now because you already know it's going to be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. All right, y'all, listen. Essy, Reginae, and Armon is mad at y'all old ass people. All three of them had got on Twitter and said they is mad at all the old ass people. Now let's be honest. Since Armon has been dating Reginae, his fan base has changed. So he still has young fans, but the older women have entered the chat. And so because of that, his fan base is like, I think his fan base, to be honest, the new fans are more older women. I'm just being honest. So because of that, when they get up on their Twitter and they mad about something, they always talking about some old people this, old people that. But I'm just going to be truly honest. I'm just going to be all the way honest. The old people is what is getting them where they at right now. So when they get on their Twitter and be like, y'all old ass aunties, grannies, baby, them the people that's supporting y'all. Because these young kids ain't got no money. You think these young kids is streaming like that? They do. Now don't get me wrong. Young kids, when they like something, if it go viral on TikTok, yeah, they do. You know, Armon and Trey just had success with a song that went viral on TikTok. They had a dance to it, and it was just a successful song the whole year. What I'm saying, though, is these new streams of fans are older women because we are watching NITE and Armon on YouTube. So the fact that they get on their Twitter and be mad at the old people, y'all need to congratulate the old people because that's what's getting y'all to the next level. Older people got money. I'm just being honest. Older people have money. So while they out buying the merch, while they out buying streams, young people ain't got that much money like that. You think young people gonna buy 10 or 15 streams? No, older women are. So I'm starting to feel some kind of way every time I get up there and I hear, oh, you old ass grannies, you old ass bitch. I'm tired of hearing that. So I'm going to read all three Twitters one from Essy, which I really agree with Essy Twitter that she posted. I'm glad she checked y'all old asses, to be honest. So I'm going to read Essy Twitter first. This morning, Nene and Armon woke up on the wrong side of the bed. They tired of y'all old asses talking about her promise ring. Anyway, I'll get on to that. Let's go. So the first tweet up next is Essy. This is what her tweet say. I don't know what old ass auntie / granny or what dusty ass bitch need to hear this, but don't post my child and disrespect her mother at the same time. The internet got some weird ass bitches acting tough, and I have yet to meet one in person. Tighten up when it comes to my kid. Now, I'm glad she checked y'all because y'all be over here fanning out over Armon, but then be disrespecting, putting evil ass comments under her video about his daughter's mother. That to me is weird as hell. I'm just gonna be honest. Like, y'all, if y'all for Armon, you gotta be for his child, which is Essy's daughter. So how do y'all diss his child's mama because y'all so fanned out over Armon? I don't understand that. Now, let's just be honest. I am an unbiased person. If Essy start doing stuff that be bogus, Y'all already know I call people out. I don't care who it is. Essy, Armon, NITE, these are my opinions. So if Essy does something like we didn't like the fact that she wanted to stop filming Legacy on ARMON'S video. We didn't like that. Everybody voiced their opinion about that. Everybody felt some kind of way about that. It is what it is. We called Essy out on that. We didn't like that. At the end of the day, that's her child. She can do whatever she wants with her child. That's not our child. But we can still voice our opinion about it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not team nobody. I like what's right. What is right is right, and what's wrong is wrong. It's wrong for y'all to get under Essy comments under her video. She had to disable her comments on Twitter because y'all be getting on her Twitter posts and saying the most evilest stuff to her. Like, I read these comments. That is, to me, that's you going too far. I'm just being honest. You're going a little too far when you start attacking the mama because you found out about her baby daddy. I just don't understand that. So Essy wants y'all old ass, dusty aunties not to repost her child after you done bad mouthed her mama. I'm going to give Essy a high five on that one. That's the truth. That what she said was real. If you gonna respect him, you need to respect the baby mama of his child. The mother of his child. That they, however y'all want to look at it, they all family. That's his family. That is his family. However y'all want to look at it, if y'all don't want to look at it maturely, whatever, that's his family. Him, Essy, and Legacy. So she checked y'all. I'm happy she checked y'all old asses, to be honest. I'm happy. All right. The next one, this morning, Reginae Carter got up on her Twitter and said this. Y'all old asses mad at my promise ring, but been in 10-year relationships with a bunch of broken promises. Get you somebody to take care of your time, not wasted, aunties. Okay, listen. I don't know. Who is mad at the promise ring? I mean, everybody's gonna have their opinions on it because y'all put it on the internet. Y'all posted a video with Armon giving you a promise ring. You think everybody is gonna say something good about that? I stated facts on my channel. I state facts. Whether y'all like it, the truth, however, it was still a fact that he gave Essy a promise ring too. I don't care how y'all feel about it. It is what it is. But who is mad at the fact that she got a promise ring? I mean, everybody is gonna have their opinions about it because it's a promise ring. You know, it's a promise ring. You know, I had to look up what a promise ring is. Again, I got a promise ring before. It wasn't sentimental. But at the end of the day, I got a promise ring too. Some people saying, a lot of people have mixed feelings about the promise ring, you know, including me. Because I feel like, first of all, a lot of people were saying in the comments, Armon is wasting too much money. In 6 months, he's wasting a lot of money. Not saying he's wasting it on he's buying unnecessary stuff. But I had to let them know that these young kids, when they got money, that's what they do. Everybody pick their poison. Some people spend all their money on their girlfriend. You seen Moneybag Yo, how much money he was spending on Ari when they first started dating. Now it's been calmed down a little bit. You know, it ain't popping like, you know, they ain't got on the internet and did nothing crazy recently. But he did the same thing with Ari. Most of the time, young guys start spending a lot of money on a girl. And most of it is for internet, you know. Most of it is for Instagram or whatever. But, you know, it just is what it is. And I just feel like Armon is in that age group where he spends the money and they show it. It just is what it is. His name is Armani on YouTube. You think he not going to spend some money on something and show it? That's what these kids do. Y'all was saying like he's spending too much money. He trying to match Reginae money and he going to go broke. Most of the time they spend money on stuff that they don't even need to spend money on. Did he need to buy Nene a promise ring? I don't know. It ain't me. Is it you? He wanted to buy Nene a promise ring. He bought her a promise ring. I don't see nothing wrong with that. It is what it is. He can do whatever he want to do with his money. But at the end of the day, that's just the culture that these kids, these young adults are in. They in a show culture. I buy it, I show it. Most of the time it's phony. The other percentage of the time is real. Okay? It just is what it is. I don't feel nothing wrong with that. I don't know why Nene had to address that. Again, she's dressing the old ass aunties and grannies. Y'all got to be careful who y'all attacking, because those are the people buying the streams. Those are the people buying the merch. Not y'all 21, 22, 23-year-olds. They don't even got no money. I'm just being all the way honest. They don't even got no money to support y'all like that. The older women, older fan base is who's supporting Reginae and Armon. So they need to be careful with these getting up on their Twitter talking about old ass this and old ass that. They gotta, I understand y'all want to attack people because maybe y'all feel attacked, but don't attack the people that's supporting y'all. It just don't make sense to me. All right, that's what Nene Twitter was about. Y'all hating on her promise ring, and y'all ain't never got one after being with somebody for 10 years. Okay. Armon. His Twitter this morning said, I don't fit with this generation. I guess I'm soft for loving my girl and showing her I appreciate her. I could never understand corny shit. Now listen, I think the reason why we started to watch Armon and Nene is because of the way Armon was treating Reginae. Am I wrong? Am I going in the wrong path? I think that's the reason why everybody is watching him, because the way he treat her. Most of his subscribers that he got now, that's what we watching. So I don't know who is mad about the way Armon treats Reginae. I'm just being honest. Now, he's young. Do they still got a lot of learning to do in relationships? Do they still got a lot of experiences they need to have? Yes. But who's mad because of the way he's treating her? You know, I don't understand people that are mad about that. He's treating Reginae the way he want to treat Reginae. To the best of his ability, being a young 25-year-old man. I don't know if anybody got the whole solution right. My parents have been married for over 40 years, and they still have to come to conclusions. They still have to come to happy mediums. They still have disagreement. Like, who is going to get a whole relationship right in 6 months? Nobody. I don't think nobody's going to get a whole relationship right in 6 months. They have a lot of growing up to do. They have a lot of growing to do within their relationship. And I like watching them. You know, I don't think nobody should be mad about the way he's treating her. It is what it is. Now, do we point out stuff? I point out stuff that I see that I might like or might not like. But at the end of the day, that's how he treats Reginae. And that's how Reginae is liking the way Armon treat her so far. It is what it is. If anybody is mad about that's still their opinion. They can still have their opinion. They might not agree with everything Armon is doing. That's okay. Who is supposed to agree with everything you do in life? Those are the fake and phony people. If you agree with everything somebody does in life, that's the fake and phony. All right, so listen. My final thought. Armon, Reginae, and Essie. Y'all need to be more careful with who y'all attack in the media, because y'all attacking the group of people that's getting y'all to where y'all at. Now, let me take Essie out of that circle, because Essie is mad because of y'all attacking her. And what she said was a valid point. Armon and Reginae, y'all got to be careful who y'all attacking in the media, because that age group is the group that's actually supporting y'all. Y'all just be mindful of that. Not y'all age group. Those are the haters. That's where all the haters coming from, because they looking and they like, dag, I'm 24, I'm 25. I can't go buy a $9,000 bracelet. I can't go and rent out a $5,000 a month penthouse in Atlanta. So that's where the haters coming from, but not the older people. I'm not saying, no, let me take that back. Y'all do be hating. But what I'm saying is, y'all got to be mindful of the group that got y'all basically to the next level. to be honest. All right, thank you all. Let me know how y'all feel about what I said in the comments below. Let me know how y'all feel about these tweets that they have tweeted out recently. They're still up on their page. You know how they go. They tweet something and then they delete it. So as of right now, they're still on their Twitter if you want to go and check it out. And then let me know how you feel about it in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion. And I'm out.